some breakfast. I'm just having some toast with a little bit of vegan butter. I haven't been feeling the best, so I'm just trying to take it easy on what I put in my system. And then for the kids, we made French toast, and we have bananas, and we have cheese. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day in the life. We have a 2-hour delay, which never happens, so it's an interesting start. We're leaving the house at like 7:45 right now, 7:46. But yeah, a lot of people in Colorado don't really know how to drive in the snow. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but you know, I grew up around snow and in a rural area where things weren't plowed and things like that. So
I left my jacket out of school.
Yes, Wilder left his jacket up. Not really. Someone accidentally grabbed his jacket.
Just take my jacket out.
Yeah. So we are headed. It took us 2 hours to get home last night. So we're hoping that it won't take that long. But all of my classes are down to like a low number.
Hey, Mommy, I want blackberries.
Okay, and then the times are low too. So I'm gonna focus on the road, and I'll see you later.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?
I made it to school, and I'm working on some of the samples for my new apparel line. These are wood carvings, kind of like a stamp, if you will, but some of them are hand carved, and I'm just inking them up and seeing what they look like with black. I am using another color, but I'll share that later on. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of the process here, but essentially it is printmaking, stamping onto different apparels and things like that. I'm just stamping with my hand, but I will be using a printing press so the ink will stay true to its color and it will imprint itself on whatever apparel I'm putting it on. So I have different items and I'm really excited to share, but here's a sneak peek of some of the patterns. We made it home. As you could see, it was like a super gorgeous sunset, like absolutely my dream of a sunset. I really love the snow and all of the pink colors in the sky, but I was gonna keep it pretty easy for dinner and use leftovers. So I'm using some of the pulled pork that I made. I'll air quote that, but I'm gonna use the jackfruit. And then for my husband's, I'm gonna use the regular pulled pork. We have some leftover. I'm going to mix in some barbecue sauce and make his into like a grilled cheese with sourdough toast. And then mine will be a quesadilla with some of that Kite Hill soft spreadable cheese. And then my husband has sour cream and no, because that wouldn't be good. No, he doesn't really like to dip things, but I do. So I'm going to dip mine into some sort of like, I'm not sure yet, honestly. Maple mustard. I might even do guacamole. I know that sounds strange, but you let me know. I don't have any cabbage, so I can't do like a coleslaw, but something. Ooh, I know. I'm going to do a Thousand Island out of my homemade mayo. And then we're going to have some veggies. The kids, of course, are having mac and cheese, shocker. But we are just chilling at home now, so it took a bit to get here, but it wasn't too bad. I'm going to do some laundry tonight, some editing, talking to you all, and yeah, welcome back. I know I skipped a day on accident, but I'm happy to have the power back, although I do really love candles and all the warm and fuzzy blankets. The kids are talking to me through the baby monitor. Hi. Here is the setup right now. Hi buddy, we have the tortillas, the sourdough pork. I'm gonna use the Kansas City style smoky barbecue sauce. Soft spreadable cheese for me, and then pork and cheese for my husband. Mac and cheese for the kids with broccoli and cauliflower, and we are good to go. This is gonna be delicious and cozy.
So I turn my back on you, and now we're stuck in this charade. I don't know what to do. Oh, you walked the wire, you paid the price. Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. I knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. You played it cool, play me for a fool, so cruel. It sure was time for a wake up. And now that I'm over it, someone's gotta pay for it. You should know I still remember every word you said. Oh, you walked the wire, you paid the price. Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. I knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. And now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. Still the same. Oh, let me carry you. Still on my brain. I hope you feel it too. Still the same. Oh, let me carry you. Still on my brain. I hope you
And this
feel
is
it.
everyone's dinner. I have the kids' mac and cheese with some pork there. I have my husband's grilled pork cheese thing. And then I have my quesadilla style. So super simple, really cozy, and we used a lot of the leftovers, which is good. And this one is hungry. Excuse me, can you have a seat? What's in there? Delilah. Can you say yellow?
Uh-oh.
No, yellow. Can you say yellow?
Pinky.
Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. Knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. Now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. Now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. Now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. Now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late.
At this time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling to stay.
The house is semi picked up now, and I'm going to show you the prepper pantry. Wow, nice hair. We recently just like picked up a few things just to put down there, just to have some things, like I said, that were rising in price, and I've been taking note of that, and my husband has too. He shops in a different county than me because he works in a different county. And then if I have time to shop on weekends, I'll shop in the same county as him. So things tend to be a little cheaper. But let me just turn you around here and show you what we have going on. It's not too big of a change, but we've gotten some bulk things at a really great price. So starting at the bottom, we still have our waters here, and then we have 4 more in the closet, and then 4 more up in our closet, just in case. You never know if the power goes out or anything. I just like to have some water. It's just nice to have on hand. I do have some sweet potatoes left from the farm market, but we are quickly going through them, we shall say. And then over here, we have some more of the Wisconsin cheddar mashed potatoes and the smoky cheese and bacon, things like that. We don't necessarily eat these alone. My husband actually didn't like the smoky cheese and bacon, so I'll probably add that to a soup. He said the smoky taste was like incredibly, I don't know if it's like synthetic is a good way to describe it, but he really was not a fan. And then over here, we have our squashes and our butternut squash, spaghetti squash, all the things, good to go on those. And then up here, we have some more of the soup mixes. These are the same from before. I used one of them for chicken noodle soup and I should have filmed it, but I didn't. I'm sorry. But it was really easy. You just dump it into the pot with 4 cups of water and let it go. Oh, okay. This thing kicked on. Let it go low and slow for a while. We have some medium shells over here and some more pastas. Let me know if that's annoying. I'm sorry that it kicked on, but what are you gonna do? We have all of our beans happening here. We definitely added more of our beans to this. We have our rices, we have our regular polenta, then we have some Knorr sides. And then up here, we have cheeseburger skillets. These are not new, but some of the couscous and the jambalayas are new. I found them at the Dollar Tree again, and I picked up a few more. And then we got some more of the Bear Creeks, cheddar broccoli, and minestrone. We have pizza crust going strong back there, as well as some more Hungry Jack potatoes. And then over here, we have all of our beans, all of our cereals. We have some marinara, enchilada, more beans, more rotel, some curry simmer sauce over here, and we are slowly moving things back up. And then on the top here I have those larger mason jars, but yeah, things are going well in here, definitely slowly but surely, and it's working with our budget. So I wanted to show you that quickly because I know some of you have found me through the Prepper Pantry videos. So yeah, that is what we're working with right now, and like I said, slowly but surely it's working with our budget, and I am going to call it a night, call it an early night. It was like such a hectic day with the snow and such, so I'm going to call it a night, maybe have some tea and just relax. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and if you're new, make sure to introduce yourself in the comments down below. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye everyone.
Sorry.